a problematic car actually. Normally I'm making videos on this. So let us see today what is the problem with this car. So here with this car the problem is, you can see this is what is the heater hose. So this is from the head or the water body somewhere. So this is giving water. As you can see now, the guy had put some polythene and some wood inside and he tried to plug it. But the problem with this is okay, this had been plugged, but from where it is detached is, you can see here, this area, this hole, as it is broken also, you can see this is detached and this area is broken, so he was unable to fix it. And these lines, as you can see, these are going to the firewall. Here these lines are going to the firewall and they are crossing the firewall. So we can understand from these lines that these are the heater core lines and this is the heater control, of course. But in this season we don't need any more heater. So what we can do is, now what's the problem is, while he is topping up the radiator here, you can see everywhere water is there. So this is leaking actually from here. Lot of water is leaking. At the moment there is very little water in the system, so it's not leaking, or you cannot see the leak. But while it is topped up, so it is leaking. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to repair it. But there is no way that we have to repair this. Instead we will have to replace the whole assembly, this one, the whole T or whatsoever, the control assembly we have to replace. So this is the way, or either we have to repair it by some way. We have to rebuild it by putting some pipe, but this is very much difficult activity. Not at the moment we are doing. The reason is, the guy no more needs heater, as this is not winter so anymore. So afterwards, while he will need, we will do the repair and I will show the repair if everything will be okay. So now what I can do is, as I can see this line which is coming from the block, you can see this line, if I'm wiggling, this line is going to the block. So this is taking water from there and is leaking over here on this side. So what I can do, simply, if I will remove this clamp, if I will remove it from here, I will detach this line and then I will detach this line from here, which I already show you, this line, and will fix that line over here. I will swap these lines, will spare this line, will put it in the car junk. So then we will solve our problem by this way. So let us do this thing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm opening using my screwdriver. I'm going to open this first line. Wiggle it a little bit, it comes. So as you can see, water is there. Now what I have to do is, I have to open it from here also. It's difficult to see on camera, even it's a little bit dark. So opening this clamp, we will be able to remove this hose. So this is now loose. I have to detach it and remove it from by this way. So now you can see this is in my hand and I am able to put it over here by this way. I have to put it, fix it there, and then of course I have to tighten it. My camera is not on tripod, instead I am using to do it one hand. It's a bit difficult because the screwdriver is slipping on. Either the screwdriver quality is not good or whatsoever. This screw is not good in quality. We are going to use a flat screwdriver. Even it is not better, but let us see. So it is enough tight. It's okay then. So this was what was our repair on this car. I spared this line, you can see. So no more. We will put it in the junk, and then we'll top up the water, and then I'm showing you the rest of the story on this car. So this is the Taliban car, as you can see. So we are topping it by regular tap water. He's not in intention to put the coolant or whatsoever, as he's up to nose and mouth and nose from this car. So he's no more in intention to put the coolant or whatsoever, this distilled water. So we are topping it by plain water, by the tap water. Now, as he is very much happy to see how I repaired it. It is empty, so it is taking much water. It will create actually the vacuum also, but afterwards this guy will fill it up time to time. So now we are going to start this car. Do you have the key? Let me bring the key, please. So he is bringing the key. Let us see. He's happy enough as his car has been repaired. So now you can see this is started, and now we are going to look at leak, as he was very much afraid from. So you can see there is no more leakage. The car is start. I'm wiggling also. Even there is no more leak. I am unable to see any leak, and everything is okay. So now he is happy. He is bringing something to eat and drink for me. So let us see the car. The car is running, and he will drive it for the long distances. And thank you for watching. Share this video with your friends. Watch it. Keep on watching. I will share lot of videos